You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's upload HD videos on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the What's on Your Mind post box at the top of your news feed. Then tap Photo Video to select your video from your gallery. Before you post, tap the three dots or the settings icon in the top right corner of the post composer. Look for an option labeled Upload HD or High Quality. Make sure this toggle is switched on if you don't see it immediately. Tap More Settings or Edit Video. Also, ensure your app settings allow HD uploads. Go to the Facebook menu, select Settings and Privacy, then Settings, tap Videos and Photos and enable Upload HD. For best results, use a strong Wi-Fi connection as HD files are large. Facebook compresses videos, but starting with a high resolution. Video file from your camera will give the best final quality. You can also upload from a computer by going to facebook.com, creating a post, and checking the Upload in HD box before posting. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's enable crossfade on Apple Music to blend your songs together smoothly. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Audio. Tap on Audio to reveal more sound settings. Here you will find the crossfade toggle switch. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, you can adjust the crossfade duration by using the slider below the toggle. Move the slider left for a shorter fade, like 1 second, or right for a longer fade, up to 12 seconds. Play a song. To hear how the end of one track seamlessly transitions into the beginning of the next. This setting applies to music you stream and also to songs you have downloaded to your library. The crossfade feature works on iPhone and iPad, but is not available on Apple Music for Mac computers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.